Based on my teaching experience, what I observed is that guys, many students struggle to improve their fluency. So in this video, I am going to disclose how to get better at it. Before starting the video, I want to tell you one thing. Here I am teaching interview, spoken English and communication. So my number is provided over here. So those who are interested, you can join my class. It is individual class. You will get maximum benefit from it. Before attending an interview, you can join my class to get more confidence and to improve your communication as well. If you want to improve your fluency, guys, you need to start from scratch. You need to start from basics, Like many of my students say, ma'am, I can understand English, I can read well, I can write well, but speaking is quite a challenging task for me. And that starving should come from your mind. That you should make up your mind that come hell or high water, you will achieve success. Now I will tell you a real life story. Guys, during my school days, I was shifted from a CBSE school to a naval school where most of the students spoke either in English or Hindi. I found it extremely difficult to cope and was devastated. But if I could improve my communication skills and now teach others achieve the same, you can do it too, guys. We implement so many methods to improve our fluency, right? No? But if you ask me what is the first step that I followed to improve my English, I always say one thing, speaking. Yes, you heard me right. Speaking, that's what made the real difference. Yes, guys, you have to speak because our main goal is to improve our spoken English, not just to listen to so much of podcast. Right? No? So we are all achievers. You don't need to worry so much about understanding the language. I know many of you, when it comes to speaking, you freeze. Despite having so much to express, we get cold feet, right? And it's not that we have lack of knowledge, it's fear that paralyzes us and drops our voice. We often have this mindset, what if I make mistake? What will others think? This is the main problem in our mind. And the number one tip to improve your fluency is speak out, guys. Just express what's on your mind. Don't think of anything else. Don't think what others think. This is the only technique to improve your fluency. And this is what I truly believe. This is the true mantra. For this, guys, you need to set aside 10 to 15 minutes daily and have a conversation with yourself. If people watch you and make fun of you, never mind. Or else my honest advice is go to your room and stay there and speak to yourself in English. Have a conversation with yourself in English. That would be better in the beginning stage. Right? So, and even you can practice in Duolingo app. This can improve your grammar too. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe everyone.